Ball. First ball possession, White. Medallion. All the way. And foul. Basket. And one. And Labay. Pass break again. To Austria. Pull up basket down. 2 points. Para sa White. So, sa lines. Bad pass. Nakuha ni Tolentino. All the way, Yaya. Off the glass. Connects 2 points. Controls the board. Hinaharas ka agad siya. Yaya, all the way. Naku, open wide. Connects 2 points. Pass to Robles na yan. Cross court pass to jersey number 30. Connects 3 points off the glass. Kaki 69. Perimeter shot. Bounce in. Wide. Pass to jersey number 9. Pull up. 1 out of 2. Oh, kanina pa box out. Penetrate ulit yan. It's a 3-point play. 10 seconds. Drop pass lang yan sa 13. No basket. Sinapik ulit. Connect 2 points. Dying seconds. Astro Robles. And the first period. Pasok agad sa Lopos. Backdoor. Naipit. Kick out to So. Fake set. Drop pass ulit. Nice pass by So. Interception by So. All the way. Coast to coast. No basket. A put pa. Ay, atake sa baseline. Switch back to So. Atake So. Discarte layup. Basket count. 2 points. Controls the board. Pass to Austria. Austria, pull up, mid-range chain, basket. Denied. Sakit, layup, shoot. Defensive rebound, So. Pass break to Austria on the low post of the glass. Connect 2 points. 3 again on the low post. Nice pass. Basket. Ayos. Kita ang big man doon. Perimeter, shoot. Oh, naipit ulit yung 6. Denied. Kakeo Ilano, drop pass ulit yan. Takes and pop. Connect 2 points. Situation pasa sa Medallion. Naku po, loose. Almost a loose. Medallion. Under the goal. Connects 2 points. Nakita Tenedero. No basket. Defensive rebound, Yaya. Atake agad si Yaya. All the way to the hoop. And connects 2 points. So Tenedero, inward pa sa big man. Nakita sa Lopos yung 12. Denied. And traveling violation. Nagsara possession block. Aim for 3. 3 points. Sinisi pa kaya. Less than a minute. 40 seconds. Aim for 3. Connect 3 points. A counter 3. Dying seconds in this first half. Pinasa sa 12. Patay. Basket end of the first half. Sideline throwing for Ojeda to Robles. Atuso, interception. Medallion. Layup. Steal and a basket. Laki si Robles. Steal. Pass to Yaya yan. Layup. Breakaway. Yaya connects 2 points. Impulse mo yan. Steal by Medallion. Easy 2 points. Down to 8. 5 seconds. Atake Medallion. Layup. Basket. sa big man, aim for 3. Shoot! Oh, pasa lang yun sa ilalim. Nice pass. Yeah. Pass to Padilla. Connects 3 points. Atake Ilano. Pull up, mid-range J. Basket. Pero deadlock stop po. Shot lock down to 17. Uy! God pass. Pull up. Basket. And wide. Ay, naaras na yun si Tinidero. Nakalusot. Basket by Tinidero. Another deadlock. Shot lock 14. Switch back to Tolentino. Aim for 3. Connect 3 points. Nakakalit sa 26 yan. Aso Tinidero. Perimeter. Shoot! Tinapit ang bola sa 26. Basket off the glass. Dying seconds. Shot clock off. 20 seconds. Shot clock winding down. Dying seconds. Aim for 3. Shoot! Umali controls the board. Of the third period. Period na sa first game. Sideline throw into Yaya. On the left wing, di-discard ito Bidalyon. Atake Bidalyon. Off the glass, connects 2 points. Atake na yung Ilano po. 100. In and out. Nakuha ni Bidalyon sa ilalim. No basket again. Tapik ang bola sa 7. Off the ring again. Ilano controls the board. Pass to Bidalyon. And throws the foul. Basket. And 1. Tawa ni Bidalyon. Atake Bidalyon. And basket. The board. Diretso. Nakita si Laboy doon. And foul basket. Foul. Travel. Ayun o, sila mo. Low post to Austria. Nice pass. Backdoor. Tatlak 10.
Tatlak!
Aim for 3. Connect 3 pounds off the glass. At last point. Steve White. Atake doon. So, to Austria. Nakita sa low post yun. And foul. Basket down. Atake yun. Block. Nakita si Pagi sa Austria. Nice pass to Austria ko. Live atake. So all the way. Coast to coast basket. So bago nakahawak ha. The fourth quarter, extension 5, extension of 5 minutes, extension time of 5 minutes. To Robles, pull up, connects 2 points, and Black, naharas na agad yan ni Austria, inward pass to Ilano, turnaround shot, basket, another deadlock. Ito Bidalyon. Ilano, basket, 3 points. White, aim for 3. Oh, counter 3. Another deadlock. Linaras, steal. So, to Austria, switch back to layup, basket down. And to Ilano, atake Ilano. On the side, shoot. Backs out, Robles, pass break, Austria, catch and shoot, basket down, 4-point put, inward pass sa Ilano, atake sa baseline, Bidalyon, denied, block by Zo. Ayan, ay Balibalos, pass to Austria, kick out to Zo, penetrate, Naras, steal by Yaya, left drop pass. No basket, Yaya, another pull up. Push back ng 7. Ilano, and for 3. Off the ring, defensive rebound. So, pass break to Austria. Pull up on the side, basket. Bakit Yaya? Hinaharas ka agad si Yaya ni Austria. Penetrate Yaya, pasa kay Ilano, and pound basket. And 1, pass kay Ilano. Penetrate, pasa lang yan. Pull up ng 9. Bounce. That's number 30. Steal! Sa kanya! All the way! Basket! 7.2 seconds. Pull up! Shoot! And Ilano controls the board. And off the ball game.